10th grade. When my mom told me about this meeting, it was so important for me to be here. I'm here today to discuss my concerns about the wireless technology we use at Montgomery County Public Schools. The purpose of the Advisory Council is to protect all students and their personal health, and I'm very thankful for it. But about a year ago, I was scared for my own health. I had brought an electromagnetic meter to school to measure the overall amount of wireless radiation, and the results were terrifying. Almost all of my classrooms measured way above the normal amount. The red light on the meter was blinking on and off like a danger sign. I realized that I was like a lab rat at NIH. MCPS was testing out wireless technology, and we, the students, were the experiment. I was so scared I was thinking of switching to a private school without Wi-Fi. But then I remembered something my science teacher once told me, that the most important thing in science is to never stop questioning. So I began to research wireless radiation and how it affects cells and DNA, and I've been following and observing electromagnetic radiation coming from laptops and routers at school. I've seen the studies conducted by world-renowned scientists in research centers such as NIH, which I'll mention is right here in Maryland, showing that some of the long-term effects of wireless technology include brain cancer, various tumors, and even infertility. In a study at NIH in particular, unquote, 1 in 12 male rats exposed to cell phone radiation developed cancer or precancerous cells as compared to none of the 90 unexposed male rats. Wi-Fi in small amounts, such as Starbucks, like my mom mentioned, in other public areas is something we may have to accept. What's not fine, though, is schools irradiating students and teachers with Wi-Fi that is powerful enough to go through walls and easily bathes all the cells of the body. This is especially true when most of the time wireless technology is used by students for computer games and Netflix. I think about my friends and teachers and how they go to school every day still in a dangerously high amount of radiation without any idea or consent. Someone needs to be asking questions so that they can get the protection and knowledge they deserve. So I stayed at MCPS, and here I am today. Students and teachers across the county have a right to know about the scary effects of too much Wi-Fi. Steps could be taken to reduce, if not entirely cut down on Wi-Fi in public schools. Wi-Fi could be limited to individual classrooms and be easily turned off rather than an entire school having the Wi-Fi on all day long. This issue needs to be talked about, and until it is, I won't stop questioning.